Hello, my dear students. So there is one doubt often coming into the mind of student in our NCERT in ecosystem chapter. There are some topics, there are some concepts are given about the ecological pyramid. So in the ecological pyramid, there are some limitations are there. Okay, in that one limitation of ecological pyramid is there. The ecological pyramid is showing it is based on food chain, not on food web. And there is one more line is written in the NCERT that food chain never exists in this in reality. Food web is existing in reality. Now what is the difference? What the NCERT want to tell here, I am going to tell. Okay, so one thing, see, if one organism is occupying more than one trophic level, okay, primary trophic level, secondary, tertiary, quaternary trophic level, these are the trophic levels are there. So in that, suppose for example a sparrow, when it is eating the seed, okay, that time sparrow will be called as what? Primary consumer, because seed is a plant product. Seed will become what? Primary producer. Okay, so when a sparrow who is eating the seed of a plant, that time we are calling it as what? Primary consumer. But when the same sparrow is eating the insect, we are calling it as what? Secondary consumer. It become carnivorous. In first case, when the sparrow was eating seed, it was herbivorous. But when the same sparrow is now eating what? Eating the insects. Now it is become what? Carnivorous. So sparrow is occupying more than one trophic level. It is a primary consumer as well as what? Secondary consumer. So second and third trophic level. So in this case, the food chain is just a linear structure. So that kind of food chain never exists in reality. In reality, food web is existing. And some of the members of detritus food chain are the food or diet for the members of grazing food chain. For example, we are the member of grazing food chain, and in the detritus food chain we are eating that mushroom. Okay, so like that. So in this case, food chain never exists in reality. Only food web is existing in reality, and ecological pyramid is representing only and only food chain. It is not representing food web. Okay, so in reality, food web is present in actual. Okay, so pyramid should show us about the food web, which pyramid is not showing. Pyramid is showing is about what? Food chain. Clear? Which never exists in reality. I hope you understand the meaning of that line. Thank you.